just in case anything funny happens. Anyway, so, yeah, I'm kind of stuck in this like a St. Bernard, so can you help me?
Help you what?
Take this fucking pants off me.
Why? I thought you wanted to wear them.
How's my muscles look?
Sexy.
Yum. Fantabulous. You gonna drop your cake? It's so tight.
Bend your arms backwards.
Hold on, let me help you.
Oh, you almost got your fucking hair in my food.
And your creamer cake.
Mm-hmm.
I tried these on, they don't fit. Like, they fit here, but not in the legs. And so...
Just roll them up like capris.
That was the whole point of putting them on. My legs were cold. Hold on, I have an idea. This could help me a lot. Right here.
The dingling.
I think these pants don't fit me now. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. I must drop my phone. What the fuck? Oh, son of a gun. Okay.
What'd you say?
Son of a cunt. There
I sound like you said some good cunt.
Oh, yeah. So, don't be Jenny, it's okay. I love you, Jenny.
I love you more.
The fuck did you do?
I love you.
This shit is like cement.
What'd you do?
I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, bullshit. The fuck did you just do to my damn
I
hair?
didn't do nothing to your hair, baby. She's gonna pee.
What? Jackass. Quit.
Oh, you hit me in the balls.
Quit.
You hit me in the balls.
Oops.
Oh my god. Get my dick, bitch. Take it like a bitch. Oh man. You got the drawers all corned up.
What's wrong with you?
Like, slap happy bitches and be drinking a little bit. No, the best part is we're slap happy. That's what adds on to the drinking part.
Hey, babe.
Little ball.
Babe, I love you. But I might do this.
What?
So here's what I have to work with. I have a slew of old, beat-up armor plates. My goal today is to make something that is not too heavy, because I can't carry all these together. So I need to make it probably come apart.
Oh, he scared me. I thought he was coming after me.
Totally bulletproof. Let's get started.
Gotta have a good time, right, before we go to Texas. Make all the memories. Oh, I wonder why one's gold and one's not. This one must have got kicked and rotten off, and this in turn gold because it was in the shape this was once upon a time. So it's like a cavity, but it's been fixed with the gold tooth. You know what I mean? So like if you have a cavity in your balls, you get a golden ball, right?
I make sure I've covered every angle that it might deflect. So on the bottom here, I'm gonna have this piece of steel. It's a half-inch 500 steel.
Anybody else know why the Christmas tree is so up?
This little
Like
I
it's
like how you say, does anyone else?
on the sides.
It's February, you know.
I like how you
February.
say,
This one on this
just
side.
let anyone else know that it's still up.
In the middle.
Or why it's still up.
This
Because me and Jeremiah are the only ones that live here.
Just like nobody else knows, or
No, everybody that knows me knows my Christmas tree is still up.
does it stay up all year long? Like that one song, I keep my Christmas lights on my front porch all year long. So is it like, I keep my Christmas tree in my living room all year long? Let me get a big hell yeah from the Christmas tree gods. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Some fragments can go to the side. They'll keep fragments from going off to the
Oh
side.
my camera. What?
Those fragments will be enough to put holes in the walls.
I've been telling you I'm gonna do this.
Oh, okay, I'm watching.
And then I have a backup.
Make my door gonna.
AR-550 steel plate right here.
Awesome.
And then
No,
on
I'm
the
talking
top,
about
keep
the
fragments
other
down. I have a
Of the house.
AR-550
Our house.
right here.
Yep.
That's
Show you. I'm gonna
illegal.
be aiming straight into here. The bullets will
Nope.
come in,
We're gonna.
hit this plate,
we're gonna-
and direct
Let me show
straight down. Now we have a problem. There's wood here that's gonna get torn up. There's this AR-500 steel plate underneath all that wood, so nothing's gonna go through, but it will get torn up. So I'm gonna put that little steel plate right in there. So most of the bullet fragments will hit right
Yeah,
there
I
and
got a
stop.
question.
If any go off to the side,
It's serious.
they'll hit these.
Hmm.
If any of my
You know
bullets
the
are go off
Muffin
to the
Man?
side and hit
No.
this
Muffin Man who
and
lives
go
on Drury
through
Lane?
here, we
No.
have the AR-550 plate
Sorry, Dad.
right
Oh,
behind it.
no
And
more
also,
muffins.
if for some reason this
No.
plate fails, we have that
I'm
big
gonna go eat my camera.
plate right back behind that.
I'm gonna go eat
If
my
anything
cameras.
deflects up, we have
My
that plate
cameras,
down.
damn
Anything
it.
deflects down, we have
Let
that
me
plate there.
go.
So I
Well, I'll
think
get out of the
as long as
deal.
I
Okay.
hit this target,
This is a
this
fucking
should catch all the
kid.
bullets. But just to be sure, I have a couple flak vests, old Vietnam era flak vests. that I'm gonna put around them.
Get the fuck
Just in
out.
case any fragments come through,
Are you okay?
it will stop them. The barely won't kill me.
Ouch.
So I think
Hey,
now
remember
we're
Alicia's
testing
nickname?
And,
Ouch.
you know, I should
Yes.
test it.